Right now we see one of my favorite patterns in the German DAX index. And now is the time where we can go in and start trading it. What we have here is a triangle that is narrowing in. I have been following the pattern while the graph was inside the triangle. What we're looking for is where the price will break out. It is either down or to the upside. And now we have a breakout to the downside, which means if we get momentum below the lower trend line in the triangle, I will get a sell signal. I will take the distance in the broad end of the channel, of the triangle, and put it where we have the breakout. And this gives us a target around 10,500, 10,600. This is a daily graph. The pattern we're looking at is a very solid pattern. Of course, if you're looking at a 5-minute graph, you will have a lot of wrong signals that will lead to a losing trades. But when you're looking at the daily or weekly chart, then you will have many more trades that will turn out positive where the pattern is working. I have a couple of other things I'm looking at right now that could indicate whether we are going up or down. I will look at a weekly chart. We have another triangle on the weekly chart. The pattern shows a bottom area just about in line, but the top levels are moving further and further down. This could indicate weakness and an upcoming move down, because what we see here is that buyers stop buying at a lower and lower level. A third thing I'm looking at are these 3 pushes down we see here. And 3 pushes sometimes indicate that the market is about to turn around. It could mean that we should maybe have an upswing, maybe before a downswing. No matter what, we always need to be aware, because the market can do whatever it wants, and sometimes it is very difficult to predict whether it's going up or down or why it's doing what it does. So be aware. But right now on the daily chart, I'm looking at this triangle. Where we have broken out to the downside. Therefore, I'm looking for further momentum down.